we just didn't execute well enough and play with enough toughness, IQ, intelligence, focus, and fight, in that half. So not acceptable. And, just a poor performance across the board, coaches, players, everybody.
Honestly, it really don't matter what we did last game or game before that. Right now, we just need to focus on competing. That's it. And then you figure the rest out later. Nothing, man. Nothing. Because it doesn't. It was a change. We still got games to play. Other teams still got games to play. We still got to play teams that's above us in the play-in. Don't really change much. What do you think should change? Okay, that's obvious. What do you think should change?
Winning games, playing hard. You ask a question, you can answer.
That's fine. You got to answer the winning. You have to answer the winning.
I'm not out there playing. I think you give